if you do some good editing, watch.
The RV broke down and the van is MIA.
Are you gonna be good for Grandma and Grandpa? Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am leaving for Missouri to go to Gutted Season 2. It's in a different location this year. It's actually in like right outside Kansas City, Missouri. I have to look up exactly where again, and this time I'm not taking Tyson with me because I have a few other fun activities planned that isn't really be good to have like a dog with me, you know, so it's going to be a lot of like activities that unfortunately I just can't take Tyson with me, and I'd rather not leave him in the car all day, you know. I can't wait to share those with you, and guess what? I'm meeting up with Bunny again, and of course Dee from Lady Bug Out. For those of you that don't know, she's actually one of the van team members, so she'll be competing and I'll be there, of course, to cheer her on. So Dee, if you're watching this, good luck! It only took forever and a day because I was waiting for my family to get back to the house, but I'm officially hitting the road, so here's for another adventure. Okay, so we went to the big tent and we saw Dee and we took a bunch of like pictures and videos, and now we're back at our campsite and we're about to set up the coolest thing. I'll link to a video from Bunny's channel up above somewhere, but it's the car cell, you guys. We're gonna set up our very own chill zen zone.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
This is gonna be a ride. Oh, here it goes, here it goes. Woo!
Alright, I already see the logo.
There's the logo.
It's heavy.
It's gonna be a cool room. Oh gosh! Oh. We kept these because these have the folding instructions only. The 12 steps to assemble are not necessary. Riley, you can set it down.
Okay. And there it goes.
Okay. It's been a while.
Do you need the expert to help you?
He is our expert. All right, wait, can you do some good fancy editing? Fancy editing.
Wait, Bunny, show us what the fun game you got for us.
We have a tomahawk toss, which is like axe throwing, but in a safe van way. We can always
look at what Dee did. She did this. She is so good at this game.
With the red one.
With the red one, her signature color. All right, let's take a look inside. We are still zhuzhing it up with some fuzzy blankets and whatnot in there, but Bunny plugged in some lights. What are you doing?
Turning on some light.
Look, we have a disco ball. It's gonna be nice. You can't tell right now because they're not on, but we strung up some fairy lights, and we're gonna put some pillows and more blankets in here, and it's gonna be cool. So how was day 1 of Gutted for you?
I am a lady bugger.
Ooh, I didn't even see out the window.
Yeah. I wonder what this looks like from the outside.
I don't know. Let's go outside.
Good morning, friends. It's day 2 of the event. There's a slight drizzle in the air. It's kind of gloomy. I think last night it rained a little bit too. I think we're in Smithville, Missouri, and they took over a campground here. So it's exactly what you'd expect. They have like vault toilets and dumpsters everywhere, and even like showers and stuff. And you know, it's one of those campgrounds that like every spot, like there's a spot everywhere. They're kind of close together, but overall I really like it. Is there a dog? I hear a dog. Oh, how nice! There are a lot of showers in here. Well, we got back to camp after our showers, and we immediately made some hot cocoa, and I got a couple Danishes for breakfast, and we're just relaxing in the Zen zone right now. Hi, Bunny. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, so now this is what it looks like on the inside in the daytime. We've got a nice little setup here.
Hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa. Bunny and I, actually mostly Bunny, came up with this fantastic idea for a little project thing that we're going to put together for Dee. We've reached out to all of our friends, asked them to send a little motivational message for Dee, so that we can show her and, you know, kind of give her some words of encouragement as the week goes on, because it's only going to get harder and harder, I'm sure. I can't wait to help Bunny put this message together. It's going to be really cute and exciting.
Okay. Okay guys, it's about time to eat. We made little sliders. These are just ham and cheese sliders on Hawaiian rolls. Yummy!
Hello.
Hi, Leo.
Hi, for everybody who doesn't know me, I am Bunny. I am on YouTube, Instagram.
Good morning, friends. So it's day 3 of the Gutted event. We are running into town today to run some errands and pick up some supplies for the van team as well. Now, I can't quite go into detail what it is that we're doing for the van team. We'll just have to wait till after the show comes out. But we're in charge of running some errands, and also we have to run some errands for ourselves. Like, I gotta get more water and some supplies. But we wanted to stop by the big tent and see how it's going, and it looks like right now the film crew is doing some kind of like interview. The whole team is just sort of sitting around a table, and there's just like cameras everywhere, and so we didn't want to interrupt it. So spectators are allowed to walk around the tent, I believe, to just sort of peek around and see what, the build process is looking like. We've gotten sort of a behind the scenes look at the van team, but I've only been able to peek into the RV and the bus, and it looks like they're all doing pretty good so far. It is day 3, so they should be presumably like halfway through the process by now, but in a little bit after we get back from running our errands, maybe we'll check on the progress again. Good afternoon, friends. So it's day 4 of the build, and it's crazy and chaotic and kind of like so much fun. It's the last big full build day they have, so they really have to like make sure they get most of everything done today. And then tomorrow they still get to build as well, but I think it's only for a little bit. So since today is the very last full build day, the teams all really have to like work together to get most of the big stuff done today. I think they get like an extra hour at the end of the night. So they started at about 7 a.m. this morning, and they have until midnight tonight to get it all done. And then tomorrow is the final build day, and I think they're working from like 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. or something like that, and then the judging is right after. Now the spectators will get a chance to go through and look at all of the rigs as well, and then they're going to do like a fan favorite vote, which sort of counts towards the judging, I believe. But I can't wait to get a look and see, all the progress they made. Yesterday was an off day. One of the feedback they had from season 1 was that because it was such, hard conditions, they decided that yesterday all teams would get a day off so they can get like a little bit of self-care or maybe a shower, because they're up from like 5 a.m. until midnight, so they don't get any time to relax. And even the breaks they have in between is just like you get maybe half an hour for lunch, half an hour for dinner, and so forth. And so they're all working really, really hard. I know they're really tired, but it looks like everybody's having so much fun, and it's been so much fun to watch. So this is the bus from last year. I never got a chance to see it last year, and it's really amazing to see what they did in here. So much like space, and look at this. It's a Murphy bed, and then a really huge shower. This is kind of cool.
cabinet. So it makes sense as to why it's vented now. That is nice. Oh, that is very nice. And because it's behind these doors, it would be out of harm's way when it comes to wetness, so that's good.
And this is what we're making today with some rice. It's pretty cold out.
It's cold, guys. It's cold.
It's so cold.
It was colder last night, though. It got into the 30s.
Yeah. So we're making a very early dinner right now.
Yeah. And then we're going to go hide at the
And then we're going to hide in the carsel back there.
It's warmer in there.
It's so much warmer.
Yes.
Ooh, okay, back into the carsel we go to eat our dinner. So while I was cooking, Bunny was working on another project we were working on for Dee. As I said earlier, since this is the van team, well, all the teams, like last big build day, Bunny and I thought it would be appropriate to put together a little like video of all of Dee's friends who couldn't be here and still love and support her. So we got everyone to say a little something on camera, and now we're putting together the video for her. And Dee, if you're watching this, I'm sure you've seen the video by now already, and just once more, you know, we love you, and you did an amazing job, and this was so much fun.
It's gonna be so fun. I can't wait.
So I didn't film all morning. I don't know why. I just forgot to. But today is the final day. Or was the final day. They just wrapped up. I ended up taking a nap and totally went longer than I should have. So I missed the wrap, but I'm on the way to the wrap-up party, or the wrap-up after party. All three of the rigs are done right now, and this is the time where spectators can go and check out and get a tour of the rigs. So I can't obviously show any of this footage until the show comes out, so let's just say I went and checked it out. I'll see you afterwards.
There is a person here tonight who doubled his following this week.
Oh.
Brady from Gravity Band went from 100 followers to 200 followers on the Gravity Band's account.
200 people. Less than the people here.
And for doubling, we have given you a gift worth far less than $1,000. Your genuine faux escaper's hat.
Thank you, half of you, for following it.
Reels and
I know.
yeah,
I was just like, I'm just gonna do commentary and like some B-roll out here. That's it.
yeah, that's what I do, right?
Setting up to announce the winners.
Yeah.
Bunny!
It's gonna be fun.
I can't wait. This is getting so exciting.